This video is brought to you by Dr. Kristen R. Bromley's Guitar Method Book Series and Online Music Academy.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kristen Bromley. Welcome to my online academy. I'm thrilled to be here helping you with playing the guitar. In this video, we're going to continue to work on the E, A, and B7 chords, with the B7 being the newest focus chord of this lesson series. We're also, when we're jamming on some of the songs, going to be doing some of the other chords that we've done previously. And we're going to be working with the down, down, up strumming pattern, which is a newer strumming pattern to us in the lesson series. So it's going to be great. We're going to be working these chords, especially this new chord, with this newer strumming pattern. Super fun. Now this video does accompany lesson 7 from my Chords and Harmony Books 1 and 2 method book. If you have that book, you're going to want to turn to pages 42. Well, we're going to be starting on page 42, but 42, 44, and 45, we're going to be jamming together on songs 5, 8, and 10 on those pages. It's going to be great. Okay, so let's take a look at this strumming pattern. We've got down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. A little syncopation there with the two up strums back to back. So you just want to get comfortable with this strumming pattern. We've got that down, down, up, down, up. 1, 2, and 4, and. That's how the counts work on that. Okay, so work that as much as you need to. I'm going to go ahead and create a little chord progression exercise here for us to warm up with both the chords and the strumming pattern. We're going to go E, A, B7, and back to E, using that down, down, up, down, up strumming pattern. We got 1, 2, Reti, and E. Back to E. Again. A, B7, and we go back to E. Of course, you could do that a little faster. We got 1, 2, Reti, and E. To do it with swung eighth notes and delay those up strums, we'd have 1, 2, Reti, and. Do it a little bit faster. We got 1, 2, Reti, and. Like that. Now you can work any of those at whatever tempos you want to, faster, slower than that, as much as you need to feel comfortable playing those chords. As a reminder, as you're working on chord changes, moving from one chord to the next with the strumming pattern, you want to start that chord switch from one chord to the next on that final up strum or just after it. If you can do just after it, it's kind of fast, but most of us can, in that rhythm of that final up strum, start making that chord change. Maybe that means that some of the strings ring open that would be otherwise fingered with one of these chords, but that sort of gets just obscured in the mix compared to having a break between one chord to the next when you're working on making these chord changes. I've explained that technique in previous lessons, so I'll just say that much about it. Okay, so it's time for us to go ahead and jam together. We're going to start with number 5 there on page 42. This one's actually written in 3/4 time, but we're going to use this chord progression and play it with this strumming pattern in 4/4 time. So each one of those chords that is above, each one of those measures will last one time with this strumming pattern in 4/4 time as instead. Some of those chords are not covered up here on the board, but we've done them all previously. So if you need some help remembering how to play any of those chords or any of the ones with number 10 as well, because number 10 is going to have some chords that maybe we haven't done up here on the board, but we have done previously. Any chord you run into as we're jamming together that isn't familiar, or you need help remembering how to play it, you can check out the previous lessons in the book where those chords are explained, or there is a chord chart at the end of the book where you can find how to play those chords, any of those chords in first position. Okay, so it's going to be fun. We're going to start out at a slower tempo in the jam along and then go to faster tempo. You, me, and the band. You can just use this as much as you need to. Practice just a strumming pattern if you need to. Practice just switching the chords in the left hand if you need to. Put those two things together. Practice just the singing on number 8 if you want to, and then start adding in the other elements. You can also just do it all if that's what you're comfortable with, but it's going to be super fun. Let's go ahead and jam together. Okay, awesome. I hope this is fun and helpful for you. Now, in the next video, we're going to continue to work with this down, down, up, down, up strumming pattern, but we're going to be working with some progressions that have places where there's 2 chords per measure. And we're going to work on some different techniques for how we're going to play the chords in those measures, even some that I haven't covered yet in this lesson series. So it's going to be fun. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And be sure to check out more great content. You can find more information about me and my products at KristenBromley.com. Take care.